If you're in a situation where somebody was taking steps to kill you, which one of these dogs would you have on your side? Here is a list of top 10 most protective dog breeds. Number 1. German Shepherd. Number 2. Rottweiler. Number 3. Labrador Retriever. Number 4. Doberman Pinscher. Number 5. Bullmastif. Number 6. Border Collie. Number 7. Siberian Husky. Number 8. Pit Bulls. Number 9. Akita. And number 10. Giant Schnauzer. Thanks for watching this video. To watch more amazing and informative videos like this, do like, share and subscribe to the channel.